Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice glue. This simple, natural adhesive is incredibly versatile and perfect for many crafting projects. Whether you're working with paper, fabric, or even light wood, rice glue provides a strong, non-toxic bond. It's an eco-friendly alternative to synthetic glues, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to prepare right in your own kitchen. Let's get started with the basic ingredients you'll need. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of uncooked white rice and 2 cups of water. Any plain white rice will work well, but avoid instant or pre-seasoned varieties. You'll also want a small saucepan and a whisk to ensure everything mixes smoothly. This minimal setup makes rice glue an accessible project for anyone, requiring no special equipment. Once you have these items ready, we can move on to the cooking process. Now, combine your 1/4 cup of rice and 2 cups of water in the saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is very soft and mushy. The goal is to create a thick, porridge-like consistency that will be easy to mash into a smooth paste. Once your rice glue is mashed to a smooth consistency, let it cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This natural adhesive is fantastic for paper crafts, bookbinding, and even as a fabric stiffener. It's a wonderful, non-toxic option for many creative projects. For more great tips, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which can upgrade your clean game, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.